Hi, Patricia. It's Tina. Here comes you're no trouble at all. I'm just making a quick video for you. So once you've deleted it, go back up here to where you can post something and just click on that and get ready to post. Do you see these three buttons down here? What you're going to do is just click on those buttons and you'll see poll. If you click on poll, you can ask something like, we are planning to host a holy mass on Saturday, blah, blah, at whatever. And then this is the question, who plans to attend is what you're going to ask up here. And then option one will be, yes, I plan to attend Holy Mass. And option two will be, no, I will not attend Holy Mass, right? And then you're done. You do nothing else. Actually, you have to click off number three, and then you click post, and bam, you're done. And that's all there is to it. So making a post is really, or making a poll, you just have to go into these three little dots. There's so many other things that you can do with, with Facebook and with Zoom. I'll teach you guys how to do some of those things too. But this poll will make it really easy to get. All you'll get is like a spreadsheet of information. I'm going to show you real quickly what one of the polls looks like from mine. Well, I guess it doesn't. You'll get to see. You'll get to go to your posts and check the data on how many people replied. So that's it. That's all you have to do. And I hope that was helpful.